get an early start. Let's go. Let me get ready to launch. Super low tide's gonna be rocky getting out. I just gotta be careful not to drop my motor too soon. Yeah, look at that. Hey, bud. I just want to keep my eyes open for that seal because he has a tendency to pop up when you least expect him and scare the crap out of you. Once I hit about 10 feet, I'm gonna stop the engine and try cast it over it, both with the tube and worm and with a subsurface swimmer. Reason being is I've had luck catching good, you know, old slot size stripers on top of these boulder fields early in the morning. Definitely marks underneath me, like just sitting in these troughs. I should be going over them in 10 seconds or so with my tube and worm. So we'll see if they bite. I'm just gonna troll a bit to start the day. Oh, I'm getting hit. Doubled up. Damn it. Is that a blue? Yep. Oh, okay. Just tighten down that drag. Alright, he got off. That's good. Get him. No, he didn't get off. Yes, he did. Alright, I got a problem here. These freaking blues, man, they're everywhere for so long. I mean, if it's gonna be blues, I want gators. These blues are everywhere. And they're particularly feisty today. I gotta make sure they don't like throw the hook in my face. Jeez. Alright. I wonder if the seal would like them. Oh, fog's rolling in. Just gotta be mindful of boats and not sticking close to shore. With this fog, I'm going to turn on my light. Not like it's gonna help that much, but I'll take any help I can get. Alright, it's pretty close to slack tide, so bottom fishing is pretty dead. Let me see if I can go get those blues that are poking up every now and then over there. rocks. And keep this tight. Reel this in. See, Robin? Oh, come on. Really? Well, that's a nice tog.